This video tutorial I will explain what is CORS. Cross-origin resource sharing is a security feature implemented by the browsers. It allows websites to request data from other websites, but only if the second website gives permission. Normally, websites are restricted by the same origin policy, which means websites can only request data from the same domain or same origin that it was loaded from. CORS allows developers to bypass this restriction safely, but only when the server or the second website says it is okay. Let's say website A wants to get some data from website B. The data can be image or some information, but website B is in different domain. Without CORS, the browser would block that request. However, if website B allows it, it will send a special response, which is called a CORS header, and telling website A it can access the data. Now we will see what are the steps involved in CORS. Step 1. Website A asks website B for data. Step 2. Website B checks if it is allowed for website A to access the data. Step 3. If allowed, website B sends permission to website A. Step 4. Website A gets the data from website B and uses it. Now we will see the sequence diagram of CORS. Website A, which is the client, which send a request for data to website B, which is the server. And the requested data can be image, text, or some information. If website A sends request to website B and the website B is in a different domain, then the browser will send pre-flight request to website B to check whether website A is allowed to access the website B data. Then website B checks its CORS policy setting and decide whether to allow website A to access the data. And website B sends a response with CORS header like access control allow origin, saying whether or not the request is allowed. If website B allows the request, the website B sends actual data back to the website A. For example, image or some text. Then website A receives the data and uses it, like displaying the image or showing the information on the page. Now we will see the real-time example. Website A, which is the news website, wants to show weather data from website B. Then website A asks website B for the data. The browser sends a pre-flight request to check if website B allows this request. Website B sends back permission and the weather data. Website A receives the data and shows the weather info on its page. Key points to remember. First one is permission. CORS is like asking permission to access data from another website. Next point is security. Without CORS, browsers block requests between different websites for security. Next one is headers. CORS headers are the server's way of saying, yes, you are allowed to access this data. By using CORS, website can safely share data between different domains. Now we will see the conclusion. CORS is a crucial security feature implemented by the browsers to allow controlled data sharing between different domains. CORS provides a way for websites to request data from other domains, but only with explicit permission from the server. CORS enable developers to bypass the same origin policy restriction safely and promoting secure and efficient data exchange on the web. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.